Look at those chipmunks. Knock over my camera. Chipmunk cheeks. Right now there's just no one around except for park rangers. This place is crawling with personnel. Leaf blowers. But the lady even asked me,
do you mind if I blow?
I was like, no, I don't mind if you blow. And she's like,
they are annoying.
No, I love the sound of leaf blowers, but she was quick about it. But yeah, I'm happy with the spot. It's nice. Hey, get out of my backpack, you frogs. All right. I have to leave you guys alone. You're gonna waste my entire day with your entertaining antics. I know, you can hear the roar of ATVs. No, sir. I don't like it. This reminds me too much of that epic hike I did last July. Still can't believe I did that. It's being stopped every few feet. What are you doing out there? Just go for a hike, man. I don't know if you heard that guy. He's like, are you guys okay? Yeah, we're doing fine. Running for my life across hundreds of yards of dune. I'm just going for a walk in the dunes. Just come here to document your riding skills. Yeah. Probably cut over there, but looks like, just like at that other place, ATV trails all through these forests, so that's when it gets really dicey. You know, it's coming back at night and through that forest, caravans are just blasting through. I'd have to dive into the vegetation to avoid them. That was probably one of the most exhausting hikes I've ever done. I mean, running for your life. You just gotta have your head on a swivel. You know, I'd take a break, like hiding back here in the bushes, like, whew, they can't find me here. Watch out, there's not only congestion at play, there's children too. I guess the Coast Guard lives here, but I like this sign here. You're allowed to trespass, just not beyond this point. This is the jawbone of a humpback whale. I thought this was a piece of wood at first. Rowdy down there tonight, let me tell you, boy. This is my favorite sign on the coast. Winchester Bay, PA. Whew, it was one of the loudest mornings. They mowed the grass on every single campsite. Yeah, they had multiple lawnmowers and like other types of equipment and machinery. Wow. I was amazed I was able to get any sleep. I just kept drifting in and out of sleep, but it's a beautiful day. Tahkenitch Creek Trail. Flooded. There's all kinds of meandering trails. This is really cool though. What up, drone? I could just wander around these trails for the rest of my life and be happy. Just my personal taste. I love the aesthetics, these dune trails. They keep you entertained. I mean, you never really know what's going to be around each bend. Oh. Trail was flooded, but look, there's a little way right there. Didn't even get my feet wet. See that? It's pretty big. It's funny, in Tahkenitch Creek Trail, it's like I'm actually walking through the creek. That's a berry. Oh, the berry fell out of this one. This is where I am now. Oh, I love this beach. What the hell's that? It's got a ship on it. I don't think I've ever seen anyone here. This is the third time I've been to this spot. It's kind of like a wasteland. It's like to get here, you gotta hike through dunes, you gotta hike through the forest. I mean, sure, people come here frequently. It just has that feel of isolation, desolation. Yeah, it's so cool. The sun came out. La da 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. See, that's one of those jellyfishes that's stinking up the whole area, cramping my style. Caught a big whiff of it right here. Coming to the confluence of the Pacific Ocean with Tahkenitch Creek. The sun going behind that layer of clouds is just, camera probably doesn't do it justice, but those rays of golden sunshine coming down through the clouds onto the horizon. Holy wow. That is just amazing.